Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install foobar2000 in your computer in a very simple way. foobar2000 is an audiophile grade lightweight music player with extensive plugin support. How you can simply download it? It's very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option. Simply search for foobar2000 download. And then you're going to get the first website. Click on that. You're going to get the latest stable version for 64-bit. Click on this, click on download, and after taking a short time it will going to get downloaded. Then click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, and simply minimize all the background tab. Click next, I agree, next, click yes for the permission, next, and install. After complete installation, you can simply click on finish and your foobar 2000 will be opened, and you can simply select your setup, which color you want to see it. Very simple. Click OK. Here it is. Now you can simply add your musics in this music player. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you from the videos. Till then, goodbye.